Hello dear student. Exercise 7.3 of indefinite integration. Basically in this chapter we have to transform the trigonometric value into the integration formula, and after that we are finding out the value. The most important thing, you have to know the trigonometric formula very well, then this chapter is very easy for you. So one by one we will see. Sine square 2x plus 5. Now, if we will see, there is no any direct formula for sine square x in the indefinite integration. But we know sine square x, we can write here, sine square x is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula. So in place of sine square, in place of x, this is nothing but 2x plus 5. So we can write here 1 minus cos 2. In place of x, this is 2x plus 5 divided by 2, which is written here. So this is the basic transformation formula. Now, if we will do the calculation, 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 divided by 2, this is the value. So in place of this, now we are going to integrate this value and find out the result. So sine square 2x plus 5, 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 divided by 2. So this we divided into the two part because minus is there. So 1 by 2, this we can write 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is constant that we can take outside, and here 1 will remain. So 1 dx minus again 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 10 by 4 cos of 4x plus 10 dx. So this is the value. Now we know the integration value of cos x, and constant is nothing but the x. So here this is x by 2, and the integration of cos x is sine x. So sine 4x plus 10, and whatever the coefficient is multiplied 4, that we are dividing in the integration, just we are dividing. And so we are dividing by 4. So after doing the calculation, this is x by 2, sine 4x plus 10 by 8. So this is the value. So in this way, all the problem we are going to solve. So basically the most important thing, you have to know the formula very well. Second question, sine 3x cos 4x. Now in this question, if you will see, first sine 3x cos 4x, this is the product format of sine a dot cos b, and we know we can transform this formula by just just multiplying and dividing by 2. So 1 by 2, we can write here 2 sine a into cos b. So both the angle are different, and this is the formula of sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. This is the direct formula. So we can write here 1 by 2 sine 3x plus 4x. So a is 3x, a is 3x, b is 4x. So we can write 3x plus 4x, and here 3x minus 4x. So this value is sine 7x, and this is sine minus x. So directly we can write here sine 7x minus, because sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. This is the value where it is applicable. Sine of minus theta equal to minus of sine theta. So this is the sine x. After that, just we apply the formula, and integration of sine x is nothing but minus of cos x plus c. So this we apply. Sine 7x is nothing but cos 7x by 7. Sine x is minus cos x. And after doing all the calculation, this is the final result. Minus cos 7x by 14, cos x by 2. This is the answer. Now, similarly, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. If we will see here, then cos a into cos b, first we have to convert, just we multiply and divide by 2. Cos a into cos b. Direct formula is this. So here we can write cos 2x. First we take outside, and for this 2 value first we convert into the formula. So we can write cos 4x plus 6x, cos 4x minus 6x. Now after that, this is cos 2x and this is cos of minus 2x. After that, just we multiply, and this 1 by 2 we will take outside and multiply this value cos of 2x, which is outside, just we multiply here. Now this is cos of 10x, multiply here cos 2x, cos 10x, cos of 2x into cos of minus 2x. Cos 2x, cos 10x, again we have to apply the same format, same formula, and here cos squared 2x. Cos squared 2x value is 1 plus cos 4x by 2, because cos square x we are writing 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So corresponding value of cos squared 2x is nothing but 1 plus cos. In place of x, earlier it was 2x. Now 2x is there, then this is 4x by 2. So this is the value, and 1 by 2 cos 2x plus x. Again we have to apply the formula here, a plus b, a minus b, and we will multiply by 1 by 2. Again this came, separate all the value, it came here like this. Now after that, at the end we have to apply the integration formula of cos 12x. Cos 12x is nothing but sine 12x, and whatever the coefficient, just divide. Cos 8x sine 8x divided by 8, 1 equal to ax. Cos 4x is sine 4x by 4. So this is the answer. Next question, sine q 2x plus 1. So this we can write in this way, sine q 2x plus 1 we can write here sine square 2x plus 1, sine 2x plus 1. Now after applying, sine square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x, because we know the formula sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we can write here sine square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. So here in place of x, this is 2x plus 1. So 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1, and this is cos 2x plus 1. Now this is directly we are converting by the substitution method. So cos x, this is nothing but the format of f dash x into fx integration of dx. This is the format it is applying here. So cos 2x plus 1, if we will take here t, then differentiation value of this is minus 2 sine x, sine 2x plus 1 dx. Now for this value, this is 2 sine x, 2 sine 2x plus 1 dx. We can write here, this is minus is there, so this minus we can take right side, then this is minus dt. Now minus dt by 2 here we have to write. After that we have to substitute the value, corresponding value, and this value is minus 1 by 2, 1 minus t square. So we can write here tq by 3. So t value is cos 2x plus 1 and cos q 2x plus 1 by 3. Just multiply by 1 by minus 1 by 2 in all the terms we got. This is the answer. Sin q cos qx. So this is also the same way we can convert here. Sin qx cos qx. First of all, we know the differential, any value we can write here, cos qx. Now sin qx we can write here sin square x, sin x. Now this is cos qx, 1 minus cos square x. For this value we can write, and this is why we are doing like that, because we want to convert in the form of f dash x into fx. That means one function whose differential value we will create. Right now it is not there in this case, but once we will transform, same thing we had written here, but after that if we will take t equal to cos x, then after that dt equal to, this is the value after differentiation, and after that we can convert this in the proper format so that we can integrate. Now cos x equal to t minus sin x dx. After that just we have to do the substitution and we will get this result. After that This is minus t cube, t to the power 5, t to the power 4 by 4, t to the power 6 by 6. And t value is cos 4x by 4, cos 6x by 6. And just multiply by minus here. This is the final answer. So in this way, this is required. Now, sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Already we saw this type of problem in terms of cos in the second question. So sin A, sin B, 1 by 2 cos A minus B, cos A minus B, cos A plus B. This is the formula. Because this formula, how exactly this we are creating? Because we know the basic formula, 1 by 2, just multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator. This is nothing but sin A into sin B. So sin A into sin B, this is the direct formula. So 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now after that, just we have to convert in this format. Sin x we can take outside, and for this 2 value we apply the formula cos A minus B, cos A plus B, and this is 1 by 2 we can take outside because this is the product for this both. So now easily we can take outside here. Now sin x, cos of 2x minus 3x is that nothing but the cos of minus x, cos of 5x, and this multiply with this term as well as this term. So this is nothing but a sin x cos 5x. Now if we multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator in this case, then this will convert. Again, this we have to multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator, then this is the formula, this will convert. Now this concept is, I hope this is crystal clear why we are multiplying and converting into the formula. Now here 1 by 2, just we multiply here. So 1 by 2. Now again in this case, if we multiply by 1 by 2 into 2, then this is the case, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and this converted into the single format of sin 6x is nothing but minus cos 6x by 3. Sin minus 4x, we can write cos 4x by 4. And this is cos 2x by 8. So this is the formula that one step by step we have to bring in the formula, and at the end we have to apply the formula. This is the most important steps. Now this is the value after doing and rearranging the terms. Sin 4x, sin 8x, this is also the same question. When both the terms are sine, so just we multiply by 2 and 2 divide, just this is nothing but the cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is the basic term. Now sin 4x or sin 8x, 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 8x, just we have to apply in this sin 4x into sin 8x, we have to apply in this formula. So cos 4x minus 8x, cos 4x plus 8x, this we can write here. Now cos of minus 4x, cos of 12x, and after applying this in the formula, we can write here sin 4x by 4 and sin 12x by 12. This is the way. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, and this is the very, very important question, and we have to transform into the formula. That is the easiest way. Now 1 minus cos x is nothing but 2 sin square x by 2, and this is 2 cos square x by 2, 2 will cut, and this is 10 square x by 2. Again 10 square formula is not there, then we have to convert into the sec square x by 2 minus 1. And this is the direct answer, sec square x by 2, we can write 10x by 2, and the coefficient of x is 1 by 2, and that we have to divide here 1 by 2 minus x, one value integration is x. So 2 10x by 2 minus x plus c. This is the answer. Cos x by 1 plus cos x. So cos x we can write here cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x, this we can write 1 cos is 2 cos square x by 2. Now 1 by 2 1 minus 10 square x by 2. So 1 by 2 1 minus 10 square x by 2, and for 10 square x by 2 we can write sec square x by 2 minus 1, but due to minus, this minus become minus become plus. So this is 2 minus 2 sec square x by 2, and just we have to apply the formula. So for the 2x, sec square x by 2, 10x by 2, and 1 by 2. And this is the answer. Sine 4x, sine square x, we can write here 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This is, we can write 1 minus cos 2x ka whole square, and a minus b whole square we apply here, and 1 plus cos square 2x, again we have to write cos 1 plus cos 2x by 2, but due to this angle we can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2 and 2 cos 2x. After that, each and everything is converted into the angle format, and directly we can write in the integral value. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x. So 1 by 4, this is the 3 by 2, 1 by 2 cos 4x. Now if we will take the, now this is the first we have to transform. This is in the transformation. After that, after doing the transformation so that it came into the formula format, our task is only to bring in the formula format. 1 by 4, 3 by 2, this is the integration of 3 by 2, cos 4x, sin 4x by 4, 2 cos 2x, this we can write here, sin 2x by 2. This is the answer. So after doing this, all the things we have to arrange and write so that proper solution it will look. Now question number 11, cos 4 2x. Cos 4 2x, we can directly write cos square 2x the whole square. After that, this is nothing but cos square x, only the base formula you have to write. You have to remember cos square x is nothing but 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is the base formula, that is, and based on that, it transform the angle in the x, the place is x is equal to 2x. So here x is just the double cos 2x. So here we can write 1 plus cos square 2x, we can write here 1 plus cos. This is the important. After that, just we have to a plus b whole square and convert first into the corresponding value. And this is the value after doing the a plus b whole square. This is the value. And once we will get up to reach up to here, after that easily we can find out the 3 by 2. This is nothing but 3 by 8 cos 8x by 8. Just multiply 4 with all the 3 terms, and we got this value. And 3 by 8x cos 8, we can write sin 8x by 64, and this is sin 4x by 8. This is the answer. Question number 12, sin square x 1 plus cos x. First of all, we have to convert it into the proper format. For that, we have to apply the formula sin square x. Now in this, sin x term is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So this we can write for the one value, and this is the square. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Now all the terms are 4 sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2. So this will cut here and cos square will cut. So final value is 2 sin square x by 2. So first transformation we did, and 2 sin square x by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is x minus sin x. So the most important thing in the trigonometric integration, you have to convert first into the basic format, and at the end, that is very easy. After that, you can do the integration. So most important thing is transformation that I told in the initial before starting the chapter. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha, cos x minus cos alpha. So this is also first we have to transform without writing any integration value. First you have to write the given value, and cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is the value. So cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Just we apply the value, and sin x plus alpha, sin x minus alpha, sin x plus alpha by 2, sin x minus alpha by 2. Now sin alpha, and this is sin alpha again, 2 sin alpha by alpha plus x plus alpha by 2 cos x plus alpha by 2. Similarly for this we can write here Now, whatever this is all now in the numerator and denominator, all are in the product format. Whatever the value is cutting, that we have to just cut the value and get the result. So after doing the calculation, we are getting 4 cos x plus alpha by 2, because this sin alpha by 2 will cut and this will cut. So only that this is 2 and this is 2. This is nothing but the 4, and cos x plus alpha by 2, cos x minus alpha by 2, and this is the value 2 cos alpha by 2. Now this is cos A into cos B format. So 2, we can write here 2 into 2. 2 will come outside, and for this we can write the formula cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Now at the end we got this is the value. So in this type of integration, this is the most important part. This transformation to bring up to here, that is only the main important part in the trigonometric integration. Now after that, only one step you have to do, take the integration sign and you have to write the answer, because cos x is nothing but sin x, and this is the constant. So for the 1, this is x. This is the answer. Cos x minus sin x, 1 plus sin 2x. Again, we have to change in the particular format. Cos x minus sin x. Now, this is the denominator part, which is very, very important. 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x, and sin 2x we can write 2 sin x cos x. Once we are writing, what is the main important thing in this case? This is nothing but the sin x plus cos x whole square. Now, sin x plus cos x, if you will take here as a t, then differential value is in the numerator. So this is nothing but f dash x by fx. This is the format. This is the format. In this format we bought, and after that, this is nothing but dt by t square, and t square is minus 1 by t is the answer. Minus 1 by t, and whatever the value of t we took, just we have to substitute. Now next, question number 15, tan q 2x sec 2x. Now wherever the tan value is there, always in the cube format, we can write here tan square 2x, tan 2x, sec 2x. Now tan square 2x, we can write sec square 2x minus 1, tan 2x, sec 2x. Now this, after doing the multiplication, sec square 2x, tan 2x, sec x, and this is tan 2x, sec 2x. Just multiply this by this term and this term. Now this is sec square 2x, sec tan 2x, sec 2x, and this is tan 2x, sec 2x. Now in this case, if you will see, this is nothing but both the angle are same. So in place of sec 2x, if you will take as a t, and this is the direct formula, tan sec theta into tan theta is nothing but the sec theta. So in place of theta, angle is 2x. So this is sec 2x by 2. Now, first part we have to solve. Sec 2x, if you will take, then the integration of is 2 sec 2x into tan 2x and dt. So after transformation of this is, we can write here, this is t square and this is sec 2x by 2. This is the direct value. And here this is nothing but the, if we will take, this is t and this is the value of dt. So this is the way, just we have to substitute the value. T square integration is tq by 2, tq by 3, 3 into 2, 6. And this is the value. At the end, we have to put the value of t. Now, this is the answer. Tan 4x, we can write tan sec square x, tan square x. After that, just we have to multiply and we got this value. Now, sec square x, tan square x, and this is sec square x plus 1. Now, in this case, only we have to focus on this one value integration. This is nothing but f dash x into fx format. So we take tan x equal to t. So differentiation of tan x equal to sec square x dx equal to dt, and this is the value, and tq by 3, and we can write here tan q by tan qx by 3. This is the answer, and we have to add this two value in the final answer. So this is the answer. Question number 17. Sin qx, cos qx, sin square x, cos square x. Now, first of all, the steps we have to solve this. Now, this is the product and this is like a plus b by c. So we can write a by c, b by c. First of all, this step we have written. After that, just sin square x, sin qx, one sin square x will cut, and this is sin x by cos square x and cos x by sin square x. This we can write 10x sec x, this is cot x, cosec x, and this is the direct formula actually. Sec x 10x is sec x, cosec x, cot x is nothing but the minus cosec x. This is the direct formula. Question number 18, cos 2x, 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Question number 18, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. First of all, we have to do the transformation. Cos 2x, we can write here cos 2x, and 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by cos square x. Now, cos 2x will cut, and this is 1 by cos square x, and this is sec square x. So this is only the step, and after that sec square x integration already we know that is nothing but the 10x plus c. So this is the step that we are following. 1 by sin x cos qx. Now in the numerator nothing is there, so in the denominator this is the product format. So this type of question we have to develop the thinking. When 1 is there, we can write sin square x plus cos square x, and whatever the question is in the earlier step that we followed, same step we have to write, and this is nothing but 10x sec square x, and this is the format of direct formula when we will take t as a 10x, and this cos square x we have to divide in the numerator and denominator. Once we will divide this term by numerator and denominator, that is cos square x, this is nothing but sec square x by 10x. Now in this case, this is the perfect example of f dash x into fx dx, and in this case also f dash x by fx into dx. This is the perfect example of this particular format. Now in this both the case, we have to take fx as a t, and its differential value is existing in the numerator, and directly we can find out the answer. Now first case, 10x sec square x. So 10x equal to t sec square x dx. This is t, and here 1 by t. So this is t square by 2, and this is 1 by x is log x, so log t, and we have to substitute the value. Now question number 20, cos 2x by cos x plus sin x whole square. So in the denominator, this is a plus b whole square. First of all, we have to extend the cos square x, sin square x, 2 sin x, cos x. This we can write here, this is 1. So 1 plus cos 2x, and this is cos 2x. Now 1 plus cos 2x, if we will take as a t, then it's in the numerator part, we have to check. This is the format. Fx equal to t, that is 1 plus sin 2x we will take as a t. So this is 2 cos 2x into dt, and this is the direct formula, that is 1 by 2 log t, and t value we have to substitute. 21 sin inverse cos x. So in this case, if we will take, now first of all we have to convert sin inverse cos x. If we will take t, then sin x is nothing but the 1 minus t square, because if we will create a triangle, and this is x, this is 1, and t, this is nothing but t square minus 1. So we can write here sin x is nothing but, sorry, here t value is there, so we can write here this is x, this is t by 1, so here 1, so this is 1 minus t square according to the Pythagoras theorem. So sin x is nothing but 1 minus t square divided by 1. So first of all, we have to convert it into the sin x is nothing but 1 minus t square. Now this is nothing but minus sin x dx, and dx equal to this value, and minus dt by 1 minus t square. So this directly we can write here sin inverse sine inverse t minus dt by 1 minus t square, and sine inverse t by 1 minus t square. Again, this is the format, because sine inverse t, if we'll take the as a u, then this is the differential value of sine inverse t 1 minus t square. Now at the end we have to substitute the value. This is 4, that is u square by 2. This we can take u square by 2 and sine inverse t by t ka whole square, and at the end we have to substitute the value. This is u du. So this is the minus sign will come here. So u square by 2. So sine inverse, just we have to here minus sign is there. So here also minus will come. So according to this, the mistakes in the printing. So minus will come here, u will come. So minus u square by 2, and at the end u is nothing but sine inverse t, and t is nothing but cos x. So in this way we have to substitute the value and get the result. This is the value, and sine inverse cos x we can write here all the steps. If you will see, this is pi by 2 cos inverse cos x, and after substituting the value, sine inverse cos x is nothing but minus pi by 2 x ka whole square by 2, and this is the final answer. So this question is very, very important. You have to do the practice because a lot of concepts are involved in this question. 1 divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. Now in this type of question, first of all we have to multiply by sine a minus b. So sine a minus b, if we will multiply, then what is the advantage? This we can convert sine whatever the value. Suppose x minus a, x minus b. First of all, we have to write x minus b, x minus a format. So once we are writing like this, what is the advantage? Because see, once we'll solve this, then this is a minus b only. So this is the first step. When both the term are cos, you have to multiply by sine a minus b. Now we have to take this sine a minus b in such a way that this angle should come in the sine. So if we'll take x minus b minus x minus a, so after that sine a minus b, that is sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. So cos x minus a cos x minus b, 1 by sine a minus b. So this value, if we'll take this part and this part, this is 10x minus b, 10x minus a, and this is the direct formula we can apply here. 10 is nothing but minus log cos x minus b, and minus minus plus here. This is the very important part, and this is the direct formula. So log a minus b, log a by log b. This is the answer. So this is very, very important question. Sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x, cos square x. Already we know whenever the product form is there, we have to split the term. This we can write here, sin square x, and this will cut. This is sec square x, this will cut. This is cosec square x. Now this is 10x plus cot x. Answer is A. Now next question. E to the power x 1 plus x. Now if you will see carefully, then the value of this, if you will take t, that is e to the power x into t, then differential value of this is in the numerator. That we have to, the main important thing. So this e to the power x, we can take here not this value, this e to the power x, this is e to the power x into x equal to t. So if we will take e to the power x, differentiation of x is 1 plus x into e to the power x, or this total term dx equal to dt. So e to the power x common, and 1 plus x dx equal to dt. So this is the steps, it is here. After that, just we have to substitute the value, and this is nothing but dt by cos square t, and we can write sec square t, and final answer is this. So I hope this is crystal clear for all of you. Just This chapter is very, very important because a lot of formulas are involved in this. And first of all, you have to know how to do the transformation of the trigonometric formula so that it come into the given integration formula. Thank you.